Alright everyone, now we're back. I'm going to start doing the programming engaging part that you saw in the first part of the video. But now this is the newly updated Windows 10 straight from my media stick here. Skip. I also muted Cortana. That's stuff I can do on my own. Don't know why the Wi-Fi dropped like that. Oops. There we go. We're connected, ready to go. Next. I have some important setup to do. You guys might be hearing some sound effects in the background of Minecraft. That's because Kayla's playing some Minecraft with Zoe while I sit here and program this laptop. What's the fun? ASUS in search of incredible. Yay! Wow, Zoe! Wow, Kayla! She's focused on Minecraft. Okay. Alright. There we go. See, now let's see what's new from Windows. Okay, so here at this part I'm going to pause because I'm going to enter Zoe's credentials and then show you guys what falls after that part. Alright everyone, we're back here after struggling for like 15 minutes to get Zoe's email to work properly. But now we're here and we can proceed with the rest of the programming of the Windows 10. We're going to skip that. Yep, accept. I've done this so many times that I just can accept. Accept. Yes. Yes. Hi Zoe.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
There you go. So that's what pretty much a full install of Windows 10 looks like.
Is that it?
Yeah, it's pretty much it. I gotta do a little bit more programming for personal use, and everyone can see that in a fast clip with no communication. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you, and have a good Okay, everyone, we're back here. Just a few more things before we can conclude this install unboxing assignment for Zoe's brand new laptop here. First off, I just want to cross-reference to make sure the drivers got installed. And just like that, Windows 10 has to be the best when it comes down to driver management installation. And the next thing I wanted to do was a user benchmark, which, if you're not familiar with, is a free software that can tell you the statistics of your computer. Actually, speaking of which, I should do the app settings. Go to add or remove programs, default apps, and then you can select which you like to delegate. So email, I'm gonna use Google Chrome. The music player, I truly and downright love Windows Media Player from the beginning era, and I've gotten everyone into that, so I keep it like that. Photo viewer is essentially just photo viewer, Paint 3D, but we leave it as photos. Video player, same thing, Windows Media Player. You can install a codec pack, so that way Windows Media Player is more compatible, which I will do on this. I have it on my desktop, I gotta just throw it on my USB stick. And then Google Chrome is our main browser, so that's done. Alright, now let's do user benchmark. So this will tell you exactly what your computer is capable of and its limitations and such. So it's a free software. I recommend you try it out and see what your computer can handle, and maybe it will give you recommendations on what you can get to exceed that expectation. That's what we're going to test here. Okay, so now we're back with the results of the user benchmark test, and this is what we have. So for a gaming laptop, it's on a 16% ratio. The benchmark didn't include an SSD because this doesn't have an SSD. It has a form of a hard drive that has the components of an SSD, SHUD. I think it's a ultra speed hard drive or something like that. But here's the statistics. So yeah, go out and do that. And it is a Intel Core i7 8th generation, Intel UHD graphics 620, Seagate FireCuda. It's in the 60.7%. The RAM is Hynix. It's at 79th percentile. So that's pretty much the statistics. And this is pretty much the games you can potentially handle on this laptop. Maybe at its lowest settings. But Zoe's not really a hardcore gamer. She's just Minecraft, Roblox, and schoolwork. So this should be fine for her. And yeah, well, thank you for watching, and feel free to ask any questions.